So guys, we're gonna be talking about the Z Fold 3. And off the bat, you're gonna notice how much thinner the box is. I mean, especially compared to the Z Fold 2 box. Thank you. Y'all see this? Like, look at the size. I mean, huge, beast monster. I guess they said, well, since they're not gonna include a charging block, it's gonna look like this. But when they included a 25-watt charging block in this right here, we got a huge box. So, good catch, wifey. So guys, we're gonna do an unboxing and I'm gonna see my impressions. So I already took out the sticky adhesive off it already, because you know those things are crazy to deal with. And of course, you get the phone. You know, I like how the phone feels. And then I'm gonna lay this stuff down. Then your usual stuff comes with the packaging, nothing else in here. And you got your SIM card ejector and you know, just the cord. We still got the cord. And we have paper, you know, tossing to the side. So who's gonna read it? We really came here for the main event, and this is a Z Fold 3. So like I said before, I like how it looks, you know, and to me, I don't know, it feels more premium. I mean, I heard other people saying how premium it feels, so it definitely does got a premium feeling. Look at this. Oh man. I could tell like when you close it's way more sturdy than the Z Fold 2. As a matter of fact, look at the Z Fold 2. Like, this is nice. Nice and sturdy. Look at that. So the Z Fold 2 guys, Z Fold 3. I'm gonna do some closer to guys so you guys can see. But they look like they're about the same size. You know, the Z Fold 3 is just a little bit thinner, and you can look at the you can see it look. So off the back, you know, you can tell a significant difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Let's see. I guess we'll give us, you know, of course, you know the typical usual, like, you know, turn the phone on and so forth on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get everything set up, and then we're gonna go ahead and get back to the video. So you guys can chill out, relax, eat a bag of popcorn. All right, guys. So this is voila, the opening screen of this wonderful device. So now we're gonna move pretty fast. It seems like it's pretty well optimized, just moving back and forth. But of course, you go inside of the developer options to even, you know, smooth out the animations. So we're gonna check out the split screen functionality first. So let's go ahead and I'm just gonna open up text message, right? And then I'm gonna do this. Hit pop view. I'm just gonna add some choose. I'm just gonna choose a web browser. And I like how the web browser looks already. Everything's right there. And then we're gonna slide. And then let's say we wanna open up, let's say the calculator. So you hard press, you drag it right here, then you click, and then it's gonna ask you to snap it in or rotate or do whatever. So we're gonna just snap it in, and then here we go. And then looks like you can save your configuration, or you can rotate around, do as you please. So it moves pretty smooth. It moves a lot smoother, and you just set the configuration. It moves a lot smoother than the Z Fold 2. I mean, you can hard press. Hold on, hard press. I'm having trouble. But anyways, guys, you can move them around. So, but we're not gonna mess with that right now because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not the foldable expert. My wife is. Like I said, she owns the Z Fold 2, Yeah, he goes Z Fold 3. But I mean, just like overall, just my initial impression, it does seem better optimized. It seems like it's fast, a little more fluid. You know, so I like the fast, a little more fluid and fast. Look at this. And guys, if you're new to the channel, you can always go on YouTube and you can sit there and check me out, Dancing with Tech. Because you guys want to see some cool and funny tech. I'm the man for you. Look, I put Dancing with Rick. Yeah, these keyboards is not the favorite thing for me. I got semi-bit fingers and stuff like that. But you guys go ahead and check out the channel and check me out. Also, guys, so yeah, this really my initial impressions and stuff like that, And also too, it's S Pen compatible. We're gonna talk about the S Pen in a later video. And of course, you got your cameras. You can sit there do your selfie cameras and so forth on. You can flip them around. You got your your in-display screen, your camera right here. It's not really that noticeable, honestly. Like, I wasn't even paying attention to it, honestly. I didn't even notice it until it just popped my head. Oh, I need to, point this out. But, I mean, it seems pretty invisible. I don't know if you guys could tell, but I mean, you could definitely see it. And it does have this mosaic pattern look right here. So, I mean, we're gonna do some tests with the camera quality and stuff like that. But just, my initial impression, I like the device, and we're gonna be doing some deep diving. And like I said, like it definitely feels tight. It feels tight, and I like how they got the little bar, it's tight, guys. So am I satisfied with this? Yeah, I'm actually, I love how they design. Too bad they didn't upgrade the cameras and stuff, but we're gonna do some camera comparisons, see how much better, because they got tougher glass, give like more lighting and stuff like that. So we're gonna see how much this thing gonna go. So like I said, it's my initial impressions. Like I said, guys, my overall impressions, I like the device. I mean, I think my favorite part about it is like how premium it is. I mean, it's almost like you just can't sit there and like fling it around or handle it, and oh yeah, and as far as the crease is concerned, I can see the crease, especially when the screen is on dark mode, when the screen is off, or maybe on a web browser. If you're on a web browser, like right now, I don't know if you can see it now. I really can't tell, but on top I can really notice it when it stands out, if the phone's on sleep mode or something like that, or if you had an all black background. But guys, that's my initial impression. Do I recommend this device? Do I recommend it? I can say yes, and I can say no. I could recommend it because the price did drop down by $200. And if you didn't pre-order, I mean, you may be able to get the deal because you could trade in devices for it and get it a little more cheaper. But if you just somebody who wants to be used for multi-purpose or wants something cool and futuristic or something that's really innovative, I mean, hey, go ahead and go for it. I think this is a good price phone, and I think the price is fair. I mean, I could have been just a little more cheaper, like $1,500, but that's just my opinion. But overall, I mean, I can't say anything negative about the device. I mean, because Samsung always try to do something different. So it's all a matter of time. The rest of the companies will be jumping aboard. And then once that happens, then this price probably will be dropping to $1,500 because there's more competition. So you guys looking for something innovative or looking for something good for multitasking, you got your tablet, and also too, now you got your tablet, you can sit there and use a special stylus for this device, and hey, I say go for it. And then you guys who looking for just a basic device, you don't have to really do all the crazy stuff, then maybe you should be like me. Keep a Note 9 on you. Yeah, go Note 9. I'll see you guys later.